Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. This is the USB Type-C cable. The next thing what we can see, this is the adapter, the HONOR supercharger brick, and also we got here the paper box with some accessories. Well, this is the SIM eject tool, and also we got here the warranty card, quick start guide and safety guide. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.